Now, Cage and Miles presents Counsel's Corner.
Time once again for Counsel's Corner with family law specialist Shannon Miles and Jamie Cage. And I would imagine for the most part, for most folks that you see, this court proceeding is the first one they've ever been to, and it can be daunting, right, Shannon?
Sure. I mean, with the exception of a traffic ticket, I've been there. It might be the first time you're really walking in front of a judge in the black robe, and you've got to be prepared to get a lot of important information out to the court in a very short amount of time. Oftentimes, we're talking about this is the first time you're going to be arguing about custody. And so it's crucial that you understand the procedure, that you're prepared, dressed appropriately, be on time, and by all means look up the rules of court ahead of time and understand how to present your documentation and information to the court.
Yeah. Now, when you're sitting in family court, is there any privacy there?
There's not. So oftentimes the court will set a number of matters to be heard at the same time. So not only are potential family and friends present in the courtroom, but you have a full house of strangers. So we're talking about custody issues, like Shannon said, maybe domestic violence, maybe abuse, your personal finances, and all of this is discussed in a room full of people you know or maybe don't know.
Wow, and you're airing your dirty laundry here. Big reason maybe if you're wanting to look at a settlement. Now, can the judge get to everybody then in that time?
The court does its best. I mean, they're understaffed and there's a lack of resources right now in the family courts, but typically in a morning calendar, there's going to be possibly 10, 12 hearings that are set that morning. The court has to get to everybody. Everybody's been waiting for their day in court. So that's why it's so important that you're prepared. It's really important that you have that you're ready to present your information in an efficient way, because the court is going to try to get to you, but you know, sometimes you might have to.
What if you just need more time, Jamie?
So you do have the ability to ask the court to set what's called an evidentiary hearing. So you can ask for an hour of time or several days of time, depending on how long your attorney thinks it's going to take.
Delay things, though, isn't it?
Correct. And so the court only has a limited number of slots available for those longer hearings. So they're being set out months longer than anything on the regular calendar.
Okay, well, Cage and Miles now has 2 offices to serve you, including their new one in Mission Valley. Get the answers you need by calling 858-943-2060 or go online to cageandmiles.com.